Okay, good afternoon, Year 3. We are looking at our computing this afternoon. Um, we're continuing with the work that you did last week with your teachers, looking at the program Scratch and the instructions that it does. Last week we looked at every algorithm. Remember, an algorithm is a series of instructions to make something happen. Last week we looked at those instructions one by one. Today, what we're going to be doing is looking at the whole algorithm and seeing if we can understand what it will look like when the whole algorithm is run, what the outcome of the algorithm is. So to do that, we have our success criteria. We're going to be looking at each instruction one at a time. So we have to look at it, we need to read it, and then we need to think, what will that look like after each step? Because if we look at it one step at a time, that means that we'll then be able to say at the end what the overall, the combined effect of all of the instruction is, because then we'll be able to say what the outcome of the entire algorithm is. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, so here I have an algorithm from Scratch and our little Scratch cat. Now, every program, the Scratch cat starts in the middle of the screen. Okay. So he always starts in the middle, and we have to work out what he's going to do after each of the instructions. So let's have a look. Our instructions always start with when the green flag is clicked, because that starts the program running. Okay. So we look at that. When the green flag is clicked, what happens next? He moves 100 steps. And if you remember from last week, when he moves 100 steps, he moves forwards that 100 steps. It's the way he's facing. So if he moves 100 steps, that means he's going to go this way, probably about that far. Then it says he turns clockwise 90 degrees. And remember that clockwise is a right angle. So he'll now be facing downwards. So he's here, but now he's facing downwards. Then he moves 100 steps forwards again. So that means he goes that way, 100 steps. And then the last instruction is, it says, say, hello, Y3. Well, how friendly of him. So he should end up down here. So my prediction for the outcome of this algorithm is that he is going to be about here on the screen, facing downwards, and he should have a speech bubble that says, hello, Y3. That's my prediction. Okay, right. That's what I'm looking at here. I have three possibilities. And we've got to think, what did we say? We said he should end up about here. He should be facing downwards, and he should be saying, hello, Y3. Well, let's have a look at these. This first option, he's too high. We said he should be about here, but he is facing downwards and he is saying, hello, Y3. This one, oh, he's in the right place, and he's facing downwards, and he is saying, hello, Y3. So that's looking good. And this last one, he's in the right position, he's facing downwards, but he's got a little thought bubble saying, So our prediction is that this is the correct one, okay? Now, we're going to find out as well, and I'm going to teach you just the very basics of Scratch. In your assignments, there is there's a link called Computing Tuesday 19/1/21 website. Okay, if you click on that, it will take you to this website I'm going to show you, and it will look just like this. Okay, there are options to sign in, to create accounts. You can do that, but you don't need to. I might ask you to do that later on in this half term, okay? Because it is really good, and I really recommend playing with this program. So what we're going to do is I've got my cat, and over here you can see all of the instruction blocks. If I scroll down here, you'll see all of the different instruction blocks. What I want to do is I want to recreate this algorithm, okay? So I've got when clicked, 100 steps, clockwise, 100 steps, hello Y3. So The when clicked is a yellow one, so I can click here. Here's all my yellow ones. When clicked, there it is. Then it was move 100 steps, and that is a blue one. So there's the motion, blue. Now it says move 10 steps. I bring it in, I join it together, and then if I click where it says 10, I can change that to 100. Okay. Then let me go back and check. It was turn 90 degrees clockwise. Ah, here's my turn clockwise. That says 15 degrees, and it needs to say 90. Okay. What was the next instruction? Move another 100 steps. Move, it says 10 steps. I need it to say 100. Okay. And then the last one was a dark purple saying hello Y3. Dark purple is looks, there it is. Say, oh, it says hello. I need to change it to say hello Y3 exclamation mark. Right. So my algorithm is ready. My cat is in the center of the screen, just like it is up here. So that matches that. And now if I press the green flag, we predicted it would end up about here. It would be facing downwards saying hello Y3. And there he is. Yes, we got it utterly right. And that one was the same as the middle one, wasn't it? Okay, so we got that prediction right. We said it would be this one. Okay, so I don't want this program anymore because I'm going to do the next one. So if I go to where it says File and New, it says, shall I replace the contents? Yes, please. Get rid of the lot. And we're back to the beginning. We're all ready to start again. Right, let's look at my next algorithm then. Okay, when clicked, move 100 steps, then turn 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Then move another 100 steps, and then turn 90 degrees clockwise. So that's back the opposite way. Then think, right. When clicked, move 100 steps forward. So he's going to move this way, the way he's facing. Then turn 90 degrees. So he's going to go from the horizontal position to facing upwards. Okay, because it's anti-clockwise. So he's now facing up that way. Move 100 steps again. That's about to there. And then turn 90 degrees clockwise. So that's back that way, that right angle again. So now he's facing this way, up here, but he's saying, he's thinking, Okay, so up there, facing that way, thinking, Let's have a look. Right. He's in the right place. He is thinking, but he's facing the wrong way. So I'm not happy with that. Oh, he's all the way down at the bottom. He is facing the right way. He is thinking, but he's all the way down at the bottom. We said we think he's up here. We think. Now this is spot on, isn't it? Up the top, to the right, thinking facing the right way. Okay. Our prediction is this is the one. Let's check it by recreating that algorithm. So when clicked, that's the orange, the yellow events. When clicked, move 100 steps forwards, 100 steps. Turn anti-clockwise 90 degrees. Then move 100 steps. Okay, 100, right? And then clockwise this time, 90 degrees. Now these are things that you need to be careful of. Make sure the arrows match the arrows on the one that you're looking at. Here it is. Yep. Anti-clockwise to the left, clockwise to the right. Because if you get those wrong, it's not going to work. And then think, where is it? Think, there we are. Bing. Let me just check that matches the algorithm on my sheet. Yes, they're the same. Go back, press the green flag. We said up there, facing right, thinking, Yay! Spot on. Brilliant. Okay. Don't need this one anymore. I'm happy I got it right. New. Okay. Right, let's have a look at my next one. Now this one has a new little thing in it. Okay. It's got this repeat bar. And what this means is it does everything that's inside it, which in this case is 100 steps and anti-clockwise 90 degrees. It does everything in it the number of times that it says up there. Okay? And it says that this is going to happen twice. And after it's done that twice, it then carries on and does this whatever's at the end, which in this case is the thinking, Okay, so when I click the green flag, it's going to do this twice. So the first thing is move 100 steps, there, turn 90 degrees, anti-clockwise, facing up. Then it does it again. So it's there, it's now moves 100 steps up again, then moves anti-clockwise, carries on facing that way, okay? So now he's facing that way. It's done this twice, so we move on, and now it's the Okay, so forwards, turn, up, turn, facing that way, That's what we think it does. Let's have a look at our options. Now that first one matches exactly with what we said. Okay, this one though is over here, and we think it's over here instead. This one, it doesn't look like he's turned at all. It looks like he's just carried straight on. I'm pretty confident that this is going to be the right one. So I'm now going to recreate that in the Scratch program. Okay, so it starts with the events when the flag is clicked. Now the next bar that I need is the repeat bar. Okay, so let me get the repeat bar. That's under control, it's orange, and there it is, repeat. Now be careful, because at the moment that says 10, and the one I had only said 2, so you've got to change it. Right, and then what was inside that repeat bar? There was the 100 steps and there was the 90 degrees. So if I go back up to my motion, the easiest way to do this is to do it separately and add it in afterwards. So the 100 steps, turn that to 100, and then the anti-clockwise 90 degrees, 90. And now I'm going to move that and put it inside. Can you see it opened up when I got there to make room for it? Bing, there we are. And then the last thing was the thinking, Okay, I'm going to check that against the sheet. Yep, they're the same. Great. So now I press the green flag and I see what happens. Aha, he was up there thinking, So we got that one correct. Okay, that is what you are going to do for your work, all right? When you go into assignments, you will find you've got, as well as the link that you've already found to get here, so you've got the one that says Computing Tuesday 19/1/21 video. I've already told you you've got computing website. You've also got computing worksheet, and your worksheet looks like this. Okay, it has got 6 examples. Okay, and what you need to do is you have a look at the instructions. Remember that the cat always starts in the middle, and then you need to think, what is it going to do? Where's it going to end up? And you've got 3 options, just like I did on the flip chart. And then underneath, you just write which one you think it is. So you could say this one, or you could say tick, or you could say, you could say correct and wrong, if that's what you think it is. Okay, let's have a little look. See if I can do this one. It says, when clicked, move 100 steps forward, say hello. Oh, that's really simple. We've done much more complicated ones than that. So he starts in the middle, he moves 100 steps forward and says hello. Oh dear, it's very small, but If I was to zoom in or just peer at the computer, he's saying bye. That's not that one. This one, 100 steps forward, say hello. That looks right. Oh, hello. He's not just gone 100 steps forward. He's dropped down. So I think it is this one. Okay. This one is correct. So I put that in. Okay. And then I can go on to the next one. Okay. And do the same thing. Decide which one it is and write in the box underneath. When I have done all 6, because there are 6 examples there, that's when to go to the website, which, as I've said, will look like this. I'm just going to make a new one so that you can see what it looks like. That's when I can then build the algorithm exactly the same as it is for each problem on the sheet and see whether I got it right. Okay? Once you've done that, have an explore, have a play. It's really good fun, really good website. Okay? Enjoy. How do I stop this video?